Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Zigzag indicator. This powerful tool helps traders identify significant price movements by filtering out the noise of smaller fluctuations. It essentially connects the most prominent swing highs and swing lows, giving you a clearer picture of the market's true direction. By understanding its function, you can better visualize market structure and pinpoint potential reversal points, making your trading decisions more informed and precise. Let's dive in. So, how does the zigzag indicator actually work? It's quite clever. The indicator only draws a line when the price movement exceeds a predefined percentage, often set at 5%. This means it effectively filters out all the minor price changes, allowing you to focus solely on the substantial shifts. As new swing highs or lows are confirmed, the zigzag line will redraw itself, always reflecting the most recent significant price action. This dynamic nature helps keep your chart clean and focused on the bigger picture. Now, let's talk about some practical trading strategies using the zigzag indicator. One common approach is to identify potential trend reversals when the zigzag line changes its direction. Its turning points can also help you confirm key support and resistance levels on your chart. For even stronger trading signals, many traders combine the zigzag with other technical analysis tools, such as Fibonacci retracements. This confluence of indicators can provide greater confidence in your entry and exit points, enhancing your overall strategy. The zigzag indicator offers several advantages. It simplifies complex price action, making it much easier to spot underlying trends and market structure. This clarity can be incredibly helpful for identifying patterns. However, it's crucial to understand its main limitation: the indicator repaints. This means the last segment of the zigzag line can adjust as new price data comes in. Therefore, it's best used as a confirmation tool rather than a standalone signal, always waiting for a confirmed close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.